So for today's vlog, we will going to update you what's going on na development dito sa Capital Town, which is a 35.6 hectare development by none other than Megaworld. Hi future homeowners and to our existing valued investors here in Capital Town. So welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor. So together with me to give you updates si Miss Serena, yung toliwanag, no? So we will show you around kung anong na nga ba as of 2025 yung updates dito. So let's go. So dito sa Chelsea, this one is already operational. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chelsea. And on the ground level niya, nandito na yung Zeus Coffee. Ayan, so operational na to. And I think they would really love to expand, no? More. And sino yung potential tenant kaya natin sa ground level pa, Miss Serena?
Yes. So, ngayon po, no, although hindi pa siya sure, pero may nag-inquire na 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Dito sa retail area natin dito sa Chelsea Parkplace. So, kagandahan sa mga condo developments natin dito, Sir Alan, all of our condo developments have their own amenities and retail area on the ground floor.
Wow. So, once you go downstairs to your condo, there you go. You can have your cup of coffee, convenience store, diba?
Yeah,
whatever that you need, nandito na. Right? So, tara, let's go. So, since this is the Chelsea, actually, yun yung sa harap natin. And dito, behind us, yung sa BPO Tower.
The PASUDECO Tower,
Yes.
or the BPO complex natin dito sa Capital Town, Pampanga, na mag-ooperate na this year.
This year.
Yan.
So, who are our existing tenants who already signed the contract of leasing dito?
Actually, yung alam pa lang natin, Sir Alan, is TOA Global.
TOA Global.
So, dati sila na yung office nila sa Clark, and then now, dito na, sa
San
Capital Town,
Fernando.
Pampanga.
Yes.
Because this is going to be the newest business premier district natin dito sa Central Luzon.
Wow!
Yes.
Sounds
Kaya
exciting.
very exciting.
Yes.
Kaya yung mga restaurants din natin, ayan, like Stanflix, yung isang European, natin dito, no, inspired restaurant natin. It's already operating from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m.
Yes.
So, for sure, yung mga other stores natin, kapag nandiyan na yung BPO, 24 hours na din sila. Just like what happened with Eastwood City and McKinley Hill, Uptown Bonifacio.
Yes. So, we're really excited sa mga development dito, no? But, ayan, almost complete na, no?
Ang bilis ng progress natin dito. Kasi nga po, no, yung San Fernando din is helping Manila to decongest, no? And talagang to migrate the opportunities here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Kaya si Megaworld din, ito yung one of their priorities in terms of the construction po sa mga townships nila.
So, this is the PPO. Usog lang tayo ng konti, no? And this is already the Montrose.
Yes.
Yan, no? Ongoing na siya.
That's the 2027 turnover naman natin na condo development. And beside Montrose is the Capital Mall and Museum.
Yes.
And they're just finalizing the design. Pero umpisahin na din po yung construction nila this year. Para next year, meron na tayong mall dito sa Capital Town. And at the same time, yung mga presyo natin tataas na, Sir Alan.
Correct. And one thing I love is, yun nga, kababa mo nga, it's already within your reach. No?
Yes.
Nandiyan na yung mall. I think yung client natin dito, sabi niya, it's the walkability, it's the access,
the convenience, the comfort,
nandiyan na lahat.
and security.
Yes. And today is almost end of March 2025. They recently opened yung Rainwater Park, which yun nga, pupuntahan natin. So let's go to the Rainwater Park to show you around kung ano yung progress doon.